One way to look at the levels of technology integration is through the SAMR model created by Dr. Ruben Puentedora in the 1990s. 15 years after Puentedora designed the model, it finally got recognition as a valid way to show technology integration in classroom lessons. SAMR stands for substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. Substitution is when tech acts as a direct tool substitute with no functional change. At the augmentation level, tech acts as a direct tool substitute with functional improvement. Modification involves tech which allows for significant task redesign. The final phase is redefinition, in which tech allows for the creation of new tasks previously inconceivable. The 4 stages of technology integration are divided into 2 groups. Substitution and augmentation are called enhancement because they enhance the lesson but do not change much. Modification and redefinition are the transformation phases because they allow tasks to be redesigned. The rest of this video demonstrates the different levels of technology integration using a 4th grade English Lit Circle as an example. In substitution, the technology does not change or add any features or tools to the task. Students will download the e-book version of the Lit Circle book onto their iPad. This demonstrates substitution because they will still be reading the same book at the same pace in the same groups, but they will have the books downloaded on their iPads instead of a hard copy. In augmentation, the technology adds to the task by making it easier, but ultimately does not change the task. One way this could work is by having the students use the built-in dictionary or read aloud feature. Or since the students have access to their iPads during Lit Circle, they will be using Google Forms instead of traditional Lit Circle worksheets. Those are the ways technology can enhance the lesson, but by using technology to a further extent, it can transform the lesson. Modification is when the technology provides a significant enough change for the lessons to be adapted or modified to the new capabilities. At the end of the meeting time in the Lit Circle, groups will use the Explain Everything app to create a brief video summary. This is redesigning the simple summary. This allows for a more creative and efficient approach. It is more entertaining if presented to the class and is more engaging for students than just writing a paragraph. Redefinition is the use of technology to create a task that is almost unthinkable of doing without the use of the technology. Once the unit is over, the students have finished their books, they will complete a Skype call with the partner classroom. This would be impossible without the use of technology, making it previously inconceivable. Literature can have different meanings for different people, and everyone makes a different connection to the book. It's valuable for the students to hear the perspective of people living in a different community. This example unit should help to further explain how the SAMR model works to diagram the levels of technology used in the classroom. The first 2 levels are substitution and augmentation. Both enhance the lesson but do not add much to it. The 3rd and 4th level are modification and redefinition, and these levels transform the lesson into something that could not have been done without the addition of technology.